Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. It's Trading Card Tuesday. So today we are looking at 21 Jump Street. There are 5 cards slash stickers and a stick of gum in each pack. I've got 2 packs here. So let's open them up, see what we've got, and see how they've held up over time. Now this is based off the TV show from 1987, and it does have that copyright information down here. That opens real easily. There's the wax sheet unfolded. Looks pretty good. On the back we do have puzzle pieces, so we'll take a good look at those in a minute. Alright, first up we have number 32. And then we have number 26. And that is Johnny Depp. Very, very young Johnny Depp. And that's a picture of what the puzzle looks like, I think. No, maybe not. It might be, I don't know. Then we have number 6 at the rifle range. Then we have number 18 to serve and protect. Sorry, these are a little skew. Then we have What a Fox, number 36 with Holly Robinson. And that's all 5 for this pack. These have held up pretty well, considering they're stickers and they're 30 plus years old. Not a lot of warpings. These were stored really well. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Alright, let's take a look at our other pack. These are from Topps, so they are pretty decent quality. Alright, we've got number 32 again. And you can see the gum stuck to this one. Then we have number 14, Undercover. Then we have number 22, Jump Street's Finest. We have number 36 again, What a Fox. And lastly, we have number 15, Judy's Dream. Alright, so unfortunately we did get several duplicates in this one. 2 out of 5. That's actually a pretty high percentage of duplicates, and that's kind of disappointing. But the cards slash stickers, because they're all stickers, are in good shape still, and they do look really good. You can still do the puzzle piece, assemble that, and frame it or whatever. So these are actually fairly inexpensive still, probably because there's only 5 per pack, but you could probably find the whole set relatively inexpensively. But I would actually advise just to get some packs and have fun with it. But that is what you might get inside of the 21 Jump Street packs from Topps from 1987. They've held up really well. They look really cool, and they are a little bit of Johnny Depp history if you're into Johnny Depp or Mr. DeLuise or Holly Robinson or anyone else on the show. So I think they're pretty cool, and they've held up pretty well from the 80s. So we've seen what's inside. You've heard my opinion. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. and unboxings. And if you want to help the channel in other ways, links from the description and on the About page. And as always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the next one.